This is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. This car is finished in beautiful butternut yellow with black bumblebee stripe. It is a true RS SS. Really nice car. We'll take a look at it here. Love the hideaway headlights. Really looks good. It's got a 350 motor, aluminum heads, 4-speed, 12-bolt, all the gauges. We're going to take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All of the interior's in great shape. The dash looks good. It's got all the gauges. 4-speed. Wood grain steering wheel. I love the chrome 4-speed there. All in great shape. All the sail panels look good. Headliner's in great shape. Just a real nice car. Really sweet. All the doors look good. All the bottom of the doors look good. Shut the door here. Take a look inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. It's been xylotoned underneath the trunk mat. It's got spare tire and the jack. All the stickers. All really looks good. All around the lights looks good. It's got your reverse lights in the bottom pan. Shut the trunk here. And he's going to start it up for me. Really sounds good. Tilt wheel. It's got the factory tack. It works. Cut it off here. Put it down in gear so it doesn't roll away from us. It's got the rear speakers. Really looks good. Headliner. Dome light works. Shut the door here and we'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 350 Chevrolet, power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum head, 350. Just really looks good, nice and clean. Got all the felt underneath the hood. I'm gonna shut the hood here, and we're gonna take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. And you can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're going to take this beautiful car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. Show you all the gauges working, the tag. Show them the blinkers there, Dad. Both of them work. Show them the tilt wheel working. Yep, that works. Tight too. We're going to take this for a test drive and see how it does. Got a little bit of traffic here, but as soon as they clear out, we're going to be ready to go. All right, here we go. Shifting through the gears. right way. Just an excellent running and driving car. All right, we're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, we're going to get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this Camaro is made of. All right, here we go. Great power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running and driving car. Really does great. All right, we are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us a ton. And hit the little bell to be notified every time we post a new muscle car. We're going to show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we are back, and we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.